Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome to this quick guide on how to activate your contactless Lloyds card in 2025. If you've just received a new card or need to enable that convenient tap-to-pay feature, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward and secure, taking just a few minutes to get you up and running. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have your Lloyds card handy, along with your smartphone or computer. In 2025, Lloyds has made activation super user-friendly through their updated app, so start by downloading the latest version of the Lloyds Bank app if you haven't already. It's available on both iOS and Android. Search for Lloyds Bank in your App Store. Once the app is installed, open it and log in with your existing credentials. If you're a new user, you'll need to set up an account using your card details and personal information. Now, navigate to the Card Management section. It's usually found in the main menu. Look for the option that says, Activate Contactless, or something similar. Lloyds might have slight variations based on your account type. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity. This could involve entering a one-time passcode sent to your registered mobile number or email. Security is key here, so double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Once verified, you'll see a confirmation screen to enable contactless payments. Tap Yes or Activate now. It's that simple. After activation, it's a good idea to test your card. Head to a nearby store with a contactless reader and try tapping your card to make a small purchase. If it doesn't work, double-check your app settings or contact Lloyds support through the app's help feature. And just like that, you're all set to enjoy the speed and convenience of contactless payments. Remember, always keep your card secure and monitor your transactions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.